How to retrieve Grindr account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can retrieve Grindr account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to retrieve your Grindr account, if your account is banned, you have to file an appeal. So what you can do is you can just contact Grindr directly. So open up your browser and then just type in Grindr customer care, right? So once you type in Grindr support or once you type in Grindr customer care over here, you'll find them. Tap on the help center, then here you can see what is the issue, which is help.grindr.com. so where you can see get in touch, so tap on get in touch option. After you do that, it says how can we help. Select that. You can select I need help managing my account. Now all you have to do is enter the email address on which your Grindr account was banned, the subject, the email account associated with the Grindr account. You can select yes or no. What do you need help with? Select that. Creating a new account, or what, deleting my profile, updating my profile, or something else. Then just tell us what is happening. So just tell them that you haven't done anything suspicious, but your account got banned for no reason. Then you can tap the submit option to save the changes. That's all it takes to retrieve your Grindr account. Remember that Grindr may or may not reply, by the way. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.